natin to. Dairy milk. So, paano po ito? Wait lang po yan.
Dairy milk.
Ano yung sinasabi mo? Is something for you?
What's this?
Yan yung oras.
Ah. Then you're gonna put it here. Wag yung ipin, no? Ako na.
Akin na. Oras po yan. Ayun po.
How to open this?
Akin na. I know. A toy! A toy!
We have a toy.
A toy? Let's open it. Oh, nandito yung kutsara.
Then, ay, ikaw mag-open. Ay lang. Ayun. We have this.